pirate's life for me. We pillage, we plunder, we rifle and loot. Drink up, me hearties, yo-ho. We kidnap and ravage and don't give a hoot. Bring up, me hearties, yo-ho. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
Good afternoon, Forest families. It's Friday, February 6, 2015, and here's your week in review. Well, Punxsutawney Phil has forecasted another 6 more weeks of winter. I know some of you might still be shoveling yourselves out. Where I live in Monroe, we also got hit by the lake effect snow and had over 14 inches. The good thing is, now we can have our students participate in our snowman building, snow sculpture making, snow painting PBIS reward for the month of January. We just need a day where the temperatures will cooperate. This has been another fun-filled week here at Forest. If you have been following me on Twitter, you would have seen all the interesting things going on in the classrooms. From building arrays and working on math in 3rd grade to improve their RIT scores. 2nd graders working on their keyboarding skills in computer class. 4th graders enjoying a virtual field trip with the Nature Conservancy studying African grasslands, and our 1st graders playing math strategy games with their 4th grade buddies. I enjoy getting out of the office and sharing all of the interesting, amazing things that we do here at Forest with you. I know the students enjoy seeing themselves on my Twitter account. It serves as a great conversation starter. Battle of the Books started this week. This is open to all 4th and 5th graders who wish to participate. For more information, please contact Mrs. Fratarelli in the library. The Riverview Community High School Diversity Club is selling the pink anti-bullying shirts again. They will only be available to order next week. All money and ordered forms must be submitted to the office by Friday, the 13th of February. Friday the 13th. Order forms are available in the main office. Calling all watchdogs. Our calendar has many open spaces for you to have an opportunity to be a watchdog this year. For more information on how to sign up and volunteer as a watchdog, please click on the several links on our website. PBIS is holding another Candygram sale next week for Valentine's Day. If you would like to purchase a Valentine's Day gram for your child or their teacher, please contact Mrs. P in the office. They are $1 each, and all the money goes towards the PBIS Rewards School Store. We will be passing them out on Friday. Next week, Monday, 9 o'clock in the art room is breakfast with the principal. Tuesday, happy 100th day of school day. That's going to be a fun day. Wednesday is count day. Please do your best to make sure that everyone is in school on that day. And then Friday, again, the t-shirt sales are due. We're going to have Valentine's Day parties, but that night is a daddy-daughter dance. So, a lot of things going on, a lot of things coming up. It is starting to get that silly season where we have a lot of things starting to go on a regular basis. But other than that, happy to be here. The kids are happy. Things are safe. Again, the Forest is a place to be. So, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.